Today we will watch how Lufthansa's first A350 aircraft is made. The manufacturing begins by unloading several parts from the beluga plane. After unloading, the components are moved to the assembly line. Now the cockpit is attached to the fuselage. Then the fin and the tailplane are assembled. Next, the aircraft is transferred to the paint shop. Later on, the aircraft is painted with 5 layers of paint. More than 300 seats are installed in the aircraft. After that, the plane gets the powerful Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines. The aircraft is ready for inspection. Now it's time to test the plane by various flying tests. The aircraft has more than a 15,000-kilometer range. Finally, the Lufthansa first A350 aircraft is ready to take off.